Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. David here. Today we're gonna make a fragrant, super easy lemon and olive oil cake. Pronti? Andiamo! I'm gonna talk you through the ingredients first. Super simple. You're gonna have flour, sugar, large eggs, milk, olive oil, the gouda, yeah, is the word, I guess, the batter. And then we're gonna have lemon zest, lemon juice, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Initial. To start making the batter, you will need a large bowl where we're gonna pour our olive oil. We're gonna go with 3 eggs. And don't worry, quantities for all the ingredients, you will find them in the description below or on my website. And we're gonna whisk until it's all combined. So you want a nice smooth mixture. Make sure that it's scrape the sides, and this is what we want. Okay. Now we're gonna go with the milk. In. Lemon juice, and the lemon zest. Give it a nice whisk, so you will incorporate milk and the lemon juice and the zest. And now we're going to go with our dry ingredients. Sugar, flour, all in one go. Here I have both of them, baking powder and baking soda. So this one will give the cake a nice lift to make it nice and soft. And a pinch of salt. I like to put a little bit of salt on in desserts as well, so it kind of like in savory dish brings out the flavors a little bit more and balance out the whole cake. And we start whisking, combining all the ingredients. Might take a few moments. If you don't want to do it by hand, you can definitely do it on a stand mixer or hand mixer. I like doing it by hand. I have a little bit more of a feel kind of thing. That makes sense. And you ended up with this beautiful batter. Okay? It might seem a little bit watery, but trust me, it will work. This is what you're looking for. Nice smooth batter. Now grab a tin. This is one of my favorite. Nice round tin, but if you don't have anything like it, a normal springform cake tin will work as well. So what you want to do first, you want to make sure that it won't stick to your pan. So you're going to give a nice spray with canola oil spray all around your tin. So this one will prevent from sticking. I find that even with the non-stick pan, sometimes there is a small chance that the cake will stick to it. To avoid even the small percentage, I give it a nice spray with oil. Now the butter goes in. Slowly. a spatula to collect everything. You don't want to leave any butter behind. Now the butter is in. Before it goes into the oven, I always like to give a couple of taps so that if there is any air bubble on the surface, you kind of eliminate those, and you will have a nice smooth cake. Couple of taps, and your cake is ready to go into the oven. 160 degrees for about an hour. Okay, we're back. The cake is out. It's been in the oven for about 60 minutes and is perfectly cooked through. So if you put through bamboo skewers, it will need to come out clean. So it's nice and dry. That means the cake is perfectly cooked. We're gonna let it cool off for a few minutes so we can flip it over easily. See you in about a couple of minutes. Okay, the cake is cooled off. It's time to flip it over. This part is always a little nerve-wracking. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3. It's a good sound. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Love this shape, perfectly cooked, nice and moist. So now, if you want, let it cool off completely, maybe in the fridge. If you want, you can glaze it with some kind of classic icing sugar glaze, like I did in this one here. That one was my recipe test, but this one here, I'm gonna give it a go as it is. So soft. Still a little hot, just to show you, like a little pillow. Straight away, but now with this, look how soft it is. Fragrant, nice and soft. Still hot, but I'm gonna give it a go. Fantastic. Let me know how you go, and for me, in the meantime, I'm gonna put on a cup of coffee. Thank you. See you next time. Ciao.